Welcome to our video on how to install the HOROW T05 Smart Toilet.
Get ready to learn how to make your bathroom super cool and high-tech. With features like heated seat, adjustable water pressure, self-cleaning nozzle, this toilet is gonna take your bathroom experience to the next level. So let's dive in and get started. Whether you purchase the toilet from a store or order online, it's a good idea to ask a friend for help or use a dolly to move it around safely. The toilet package weighs about 115 pounds. Before we start installing the toilet, we need to check that this toilet fits your bathroom. Grab yourself a tape measure and measure from the wall to the center of the toilet flange. This toilet is designed for a flange that is 12 inches away from the wall. Do not try to open the package from the top. It is easier to cut the straps around the bottom and then remove the box. Inside the box, you're gonna find not only the toilet, but a remote control, installation instructions, and a template. The HOROW T05 Smart Toilet requires an electrical outlet to operate. Check that you have one nearby and is in working condition. If you do not have one, contact a licensed professional to have one installed. Plug the toilet into the outlet to check that the water valve and power switch are turned on. Press the knob to see if flushing works. Once everything is checked out, we can move on with our installation. It is time to install the battery. Simply remove the cap on the harness that's in the toilet, insert the battery harness onto the toilet harness, and screw in tightly. Using the template that came in the package, place it over the toilet flange and mark the 4 mounting holes. If you have a dark color floor, you could use masking tape to help locate the mounting holes easily. Inside the toilet, you will find a hardware box. Using the screw and washers provided, screw down both mounting brackets. If you have used masking tape, this is the time to remove them. Install the wax ring on the bottom of the toilet, pressing it firmly until it sticks in place. Line up the toilet with the drain and T-brackets, then press the toilet down firmly. Then using a torpedo level, you check for level. If it's not level, you may use shims to level out your toilet. This is completely optional, and if you have a leveled floor, this is not required. For a neat appearance, you can use waterproof silicone around the toilet. And just remember to leave a small gap on the back. Install both mounting screws on the side of the toilet and add the decorative cap. It's time to connect the water lines. First, install the T-shaped fitting onto the water shutoff valve, tightening it down with an adjustable wrench. After that, locate the 2 hoses behind the toilet tank and connect both of them onto the T fitting. Gently turn on the water valve, letting the water flow, and check for any leaks. And then connect the toilet onto the electrical outlet. This unit comes with the remote control. First, you need to install batteries on the back of the remote. Generally, it is recommended that you mount the remote control nearby in an easy to access location. The remote can be wall mounted using anchors and screws provided. If you desire, you could also mount the remote using 3M tape. Congratulations, you have successfully installed your HOROW T05 Smart Toilet. Next, let's dive into the features of this toilet. The HOROW T05 Smart Toilet offers many features. Say goodbye to slamming toilet lids. As you approach, the automatic lid will open smoothly. And when you're done, it closes gently, keeping your bathroom tidy and quiet. Some features will require a human present to be enabled. To try the clean feature, just select the clean option on the remote. Watch as the nozzle extends and spray water. When done, just press stop to retract the nozzle. After using the bidet or cleaning function, you can activate the drying feature. Warm air will gently blow to dry you off, ensuring a comfortable and hygienic experience. You can adjust the temperature and the intensity using the remote. Experience the convenience of auto flushing. Never forget to flush again. Simply stand up and walk away. or you just kick the flush button for a flush. And now it's time to enjoy your brand new HOROW T05 Smart Toilet. Thank you for watching. Bye.